Hello and welcome to Dave's Supercars, and I'm here beside the wheel of the car because today we're going to change the brakes and the pads and the brake lines on my 2015 Subaru WRX STI. Full set of new Brembo brakes and pads, so I think it's going to be a huge upgrade and it's going to help prevent some of that brake fade that I got during my last track day. So I'll go and show you everything I have. Okay, so this is what I have. I've got two of these front drilled Brembo brake rotors. Two of them for the front. I got two of these for the rear. They're Brembo as well, but they are not drilled. I got front brake pads and I got rear brake pads. I also have these high performance stainless steel brake lines, so that's going to help prevent some brake fade, and they are race proven brake lines. Apparently they are from Goodrich. So I'm going to go and get them installed and see what it's like. So there are the wheels at the moment, standard brake discs and pads. That's the front, and there are the rears. Yeah, pure standard at the moment, but that's all going to change. Alright, so here she is back with the new brakes and pads in tow. Not bad at all. Yeah, looking good. Okay, so that's the Brembo brake kit installed into my 2015 WRX STI. They couldn't install the brake lines because they didn't have the tool to take them off, the old ones off. So that's a job for another day, someplace else. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.